How to draw lines and make free points. For buildings with odd shapes like this one, when you add unit data, the units do not go in their proper places. To fix this, you can draw lines instead. Make sure the polygon is selected and then tap on the line icon. Form a line by tapping on its start and end point. Then hit the line icon again. Once created, a line can be moved around. You can add unit data to the line the same way you do for polygons. Free points are also another way you can add data. To make a free point, select a polygon and double tap inside the highlighted area. You have the option to use free points to mark unit locations or other important points of interest like entrances, stairs, Knox boxes, and so on. As with the line, a free point can be moved around the map once it's created.